Lee and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So what we are gonna do today? We are gonna do a Momo challenge. We have prepared lot of Momo. So let's see who wins the race. We'll just put 20 Momos and we'll see who wins. Actually I am the winner. I know I am the winner. I know that. But let's see. Up you.
상부터스레 그리고서 블ог 디체레 모모스레 타모모 이슈로 수조와서 때 수조와 담다 수톱을 내면서 주마산님의 디스토리션 우리가 클래스에다 비디오 자이 차례 주샤이 엔데타에 다 수톱을 나오면서 뭐라는 모토플레도 말하는 게 그거와 따따리.
So let's start Momo challenge. So let's take our own plates and we'll put 20 momos. You can just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So shall we just start up? Okay, see my plate is full and these momos are not small momos. These are very big momos, you know. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, countdown starts now. Okay, without chutney I can't have. Oh my god, I love chutney and momo, this combination. And we have just taken the mushroom soups. My mouth is watering from now on, you know. I just want to have. I just want to start. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Start.
We have to chew also, okay? You can't just swallow it. Wow, it's just so yum. It's chutney momo plus mushroom combination, huh?
쑥 좀 말아, 그만 쑥 좀 말아.
Hey.
쑥 놔둬.
Smart.
한번 더 하자. 나 관에서 한번 하주시나.
Momo has some editing चाहिए मेरे दा. You can count how many I had. He was slow in Baya. I know he is very slow. Shimba.
잘 먹어 셔셔. 이거 좀 셔 먹어 셔셔.
셔 먹는 친구. 친구 너무 싸드셔.
못 받아 그러나.
나갈래 쭉.
좀 줄하잖아. 줄하자.
소프가 예쁘지라. 이거 와요.
소프하면 땅 뜯는 거.
그 소프가 면이 또 미리 너무 좋아요.
이 소프 좀 짜네.
아, 짭짤해. 정말. I'm about to finish. Only 7 dishes remaining. The momo ka leche shod dijiye. It's so big, you know. I got this biggest momo, you know. It's equal to 2.
오케이, 하루씩 먹으면 좋아.
정말 괜찮아.
충분하게 먹어.
선생님이
왜 좋아?
이거 아니.
That's so bad.
I think you are satisfied with sandwich. I need 20 pieces more, but leave it. I won. I thought so. Yay!
뭐 시간하지 뭐. 뭐 조금만 사동했어.
It's just I'll eat it later.
좀 숙도해요.
Momo is so yum. In this shibuchasha, so yum like anything, you know. The ngawang chutney, mind blowing. I had 20. I want to have more, but I'll not eat because right now I'm not eating much these days. Yeah. So loser will cook for whole day in Sunday. Yeah, for Sunday. I will take rest. So that's all for today. I really enjoyed the vlog. I hope you guys also enjoyed the vlog, and this vlog was the most interesting vlog among all, you know. Really so enjoyable, and momo eating is definitely a pleasure for us, you know. And see you in next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe and enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you are watching for first time, please subscribe, and thank you so much for all the love you have just given to me. Thank you.
Thank you. Someone Leslie.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the